I'm alright right now. Hey, ma'am. How you doing? You okay? Alright, you can't be going through the trash cans here, alright? If you don't have business here, you need to leave, okay? You know how to get over to the bus stop? You know how to get over to the bus stop? Huh? It's time to go, alright?
Right here. This one. No, I didn't. Guy? No.
Hey, if you don't have any business here, you need to leave, okay?
So, what are you going to be after all of this? Like,
Okay.
what's your title? And I was like,
I'm just trying to talk to you.
I was like, I'm going to be a PA. And she goes,
Well, I can't really hear you.
I was like, she literally said, that's it? And I was like, yeah, like, that's what I'm going
dumb
to school
bitches.
for. And she was like, oh, that's great. And she tried to cover it up, and I was just like, this is so fucking awkward now. And it was really uncomfortable because one of Alyssa's good friends.
What's up?
Pay for that.
Yeah.
We just checked in at Spare, right? But there's nobody down there to leave the bag, so what should we do?
To leave the bag, like to check it in?
Well, we checked it. Yeah, I paid to have it checked, like, and I got my boarding passes and everything.
What time's your flight?
5 o'clock. We had to get the rental car back before 1.
5 o'clock in the morning?
I'll give you time to take care of her.
Yeah, you're probably just gonna have to wait till the morning.
I don't want to go over there. That lady yelling, screaming.
It's Control 131. If you have one more that can come meet me over here at Sikorsky Level 3 and have an A1 start as well, please.
Asses, and you do fucking know that shit.
What's going on? Hey, you need to come talk to me.
I don't talk to your ass. That was like,
You need to come talk to me. Where are you going?
don't you choose to ignore him? But he can't hear you.
Who
Nor
are
do
you,
you want to.
who are you talking to?
Stop holding the damn door.
No, you need to come out here and talk to me.
I'm not gonna talk to you.
Why not?
I don't want to talk to you. I'm talking to you now. I'm telling you to leave me the fuck alone.
I know, but I'm trying to figure out what your business is here at the airport. I'm just trying to help you out. Try to get you where you need to go.
Right now. We're gonna take this damn way right now. This is your way of being a fucking bitch. Doors closed.
What do you mean?
Doors closed, motherfucker. Close the damn door.
The door's not going to close because I need you to talk to me.
I'm not coming out there to talk to your butch ass.
Because you need to
Move out
leave.
the fucking way.
You need to leave the airport.
We stand on ground. We don't move.
No, you have no business here at the airport, and you need to leave. Okay, so the airport operations manager is going to come out here, and he's going to issue you a trespass warning. Okay?
That's why he wanted to do it. Just leave so nobody else can.
What's your first name?
None of you got business. We're forcing him to.
You don't know what your first name is?
But we don't go back out there. Because that girl, and that girl, they're all whores. And they want all the whores to stay on this fucking level. But I'm not a fucking whore.
Okay, I set it down somewhere.
You did? Okay, I'll look for it.
Come on, we got to get out of here.
I'm not doing that. And
Why?
you're not going to do that to me.
Do what to you? I'm not going to do anything to hurt you. I just need to get you somewhere where.
That's Uncle saying be submissive to him. And you don't want to do that. And this officer's going to tell you you need to come out or they're going to drag us out. Because they give the people at night only. So we'll walk out.
So we can get this alarm
Don't
to stop,
touch me.
okay? I'm not going to touch you, but you need to leave the airport. You understand?
I'll bring it back.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're not young or not?
Nah, she's
20 all day.
very far from cooperative. Yeah. And she had a pair of scissors in her hand, so that's why
Oh, yeah.
she put them back in her backpack. But
The foundational statute is Florida Statute 810.09. This provision requires 3 elements. unauthorized presence on property, notice against remaining, and willful refusal to depart. The officer's verbal warning at first contact satisfied the notice element. Continued presence after that warning, combined with refusal to identify, completed the offense as a second-degree misdemeanor. No written trespass warning is legally required once verbal notice by an authorized person has been given. The secondary charge arises under Florida Statute 843.02. This statute criminalizes knowing obstruction of an officer engaged in lawful duty without violence to the officer's person. Florida case law clarifies that mere verbal refusal supports this charge only when accompanied by a physical obstruction. Holding a door closed against the officer, followed by tensing against handcuff application, satisfies that physical element. The subject's profanity toward officers is constitutionally protected under City of Houston v. Hill, decided in 1987. While inflammatory, the profanity could not legally support any charge and did not factor into probable cause for trespass.
Try to get over towards the bus stop, but I don't even know if there's a bus running right now.
She coming in?
No. When she does, it's not very pleasant. But
I saw.
Get a picture of my channel?
haven't captured it yet.
I got you.
Might be able to get it on the bus or on the train.
I want as much time as we can to look through the folder.
Oh. Control 1-3. Let the AOM know that we're moving over towards the stand by. Ma'am, you got to come this way and get on the bus or get on the train. I don't know. She won't give me a name or anything. Well, I told her she needs to leave, so I'm going to trespass her myself, and then if she refuses to make any effort to leave, then she's going to go to jail. Yeah. Ma'am. 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 Come here.
Don't touch me!
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Now.
Listen, relax. Back there and rape you with
Relax.
hard stuff.
Relax. Stop resisting.
Drop the drink. Drop the drink.
I got it.
Stop tensing up. Stop tensing up.
That's what I'm going to do.
Relax.
Got it.
If I have one else, cry. I'm crying.
Control 1-1, 10-6.
Yeah, for 10-15, double 0 30 miles.
Thanks, man. It didn't have to go to that. All you had to do was just talk to us.
The force applied during the arrest is analyzed under Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989. The Supreme Court established an objective reasonableness standard. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. The 3 Graham factors are severity of the offense, immediacy of any threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. The offense was minor, but officers knew of scissors in the backpack and were facing active physical resistance. Empty hand control on these facts remains well within constitutional limits. Once the arrest was lawful, the search of the subject's property is authorized under United States v. Robinson, decided in 1973. That precedent permits a full search of the arrestee and items within her immediate control without additional justification. The most significant unresolved legal question involves mental health. Florida Statute 394.463, known as the Baker Act, governs involuntary examination. It authorizes intervention when an individual appears to have a mental illness and presents a risk of harm or inability to care for basic needs. The on-camera indicators, including disorganized speech and erratic behavior in a secured transit hub, arguably met the statutory threshold.
I guess we have LTO searcher.
Yeah, that's fine.
We're gonna get her out of
Do
here.
any of you guys have a car close by? Or?
I'm on red departures.
All right, we'll go down to red departures. You mind getting her stuff?
Yeah.
I'm trying to find
I
a.
got her shoe.
Yeah, gotta try to find an ID.
They should make it as bright yellow, you know?
You said you're on departures, right?
Yeah, that's right. I'm 90% sure she's been here before.
She looks familiar.
Yeah.
Probably. Control 131. We've relocated down to red departures.
Got a wallet or something on you?
I think I took the lost and found for you.
Yeah.
See if I can find some ID for her real quick.
Is Andrew gonna transport her? She said her wallet's in there.
Okay. Probably.
Alright.
Unless who's?
That's me, but two doesn't have a cage.
Oh, okay. Are you okay to transport conduct? All right.
Different.
Hey, let them know that she's being trespassed and you're doing it. So, just to let you know, okay, you're being trespassed today. That's valid for 1 year. The only reason you could be here is if you're flying out.
Control 114.
Okay? So if you have official business, you can be here.
114.
But you can't just come here to hang out or use the
Somebody's
bathroom.
also being trespassed, and I'm
Okay.
issuing a trespass warning right now.
Do you understand that?
Yeah, for
What? You understand that?
I think she said I heard you.
Yes or no? Yes or no? I don't understand mumbling. Do you understand the trespass? Yes or no?
There is no waiting at the curbside. The curbside is for customers who are actively loading their luggage. If your party is not ready for immediate loading, please use the cell phone locks or the airport's 1 hour immediate loading.
I'll go on the other side, I'll
Please use
handle
the
it.
cell phone locks or the airport's
Don't have a seat
1
here.
hour free parking.
I told her about her trespass.
Good, I got you.
I heard you. So she gets it.
Yep, I'll give it to you as soon as you go in. Just keep your foot out.
You check both shoes.
This one got checked. I don't do that.
Under these frameworks, the officers receive a grade of B for legally sound but mental health under-integrated execution. The subject receives a D+ for legally indefensible conduct mitigated by apparent mental health factors. The department receives a B- for adequate procedure lacking crisis intervention depth. 3 lessons emerge from this encounter. First, verbal notice by an authorized officer is sufficient for trespass enforcement under Florida law. Second, the Graham reasonableness standard remains fact-specific and tolerates measured force against active resistance. Third, agencies in high-traffic public venues should integrate mental health screening into standard trespass procedures. The criminal and civil pathways are not mutually exclusive, they can operate in parallel. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.